welcome back to another video. And the camera's like that. And today I'm gonna hold this Huntsman that open. So there's a hole there, right? But I still saw some spiderlings inside. So let's try to open it like above this container. Okay, let's see how we go. Whoop, there's a ladybug landed on me. I almost caught a new stick insect for you guys, and then it flew away. So, but that's okay. I got a tarantula now. I'm going to cut to when I'm opening it. See you when I'm opening it. Okay, I'm back. I got everything ready. I don't have proper tools, so I'm just going to do it very casually. Oh, now got the egg. So there's the egg there. Gotta try to get some scissors in there and open it without harming any spider. So I'm gonna find the empty part of the egg, go right there. Oh, there's a whole bunch of little spiderlings in there. But they didn't make it all out. So they're all in there, but they're all dead, sort of. So I came and tried to rescue these guys from dying. Because most of them are actually dead. So hopefully I get to say something. Oh, some spiderlings. But as you can see, all in there is spiderlings. Luckily, I opened that just then, because some actually started dying. There's like a few dead ones. Some are quite slow. They all have hatched. Gonna become huntsmen one day. Look at them. Oh, there's one there stuck on his back. I'll help him soon. But like that one down there, that guy's like dead. Not sure about that little guy there. But these guys are alive. Look at all of them. No, I better help that guy. No, hang on, guys. I'll flip him over with the tweezers. Come on. Get on you. Show me. Okay. All in there, but they're quite slow. Probably flicking. So they were actually meant to already be hatched. So there's someone there. They're just chilling. But yeah, all these eggs have hatched. All the eggs, oh, some have gone blown in the wind. Oh, there goes a whole bunch of them. But they're all already hatched. All of them. As many as I can off my lawn. It's okay. They can grow up around my house. So many. Currently have one. Oh, there he goes. My finger. They're nice and fat. But some of these are dead. I'm not sure if it's from the egg being knocked around or it's been squished a lot. Don't know. Well, they're all through this container. So that'll be it for today's video. And yeah, I tried to save these guys, and I did not hurt any, okay? Because there was already because when I cut, I saw no injuries happen. So I didn't do any of injuries. Did not do any injuries to these. I did not harm them. I actually saved them. These guys were probably squished because I found the egg in their mother's enclosure on the ground. And then I accidentally dropped it a few times because I couldn't pick it up, but that's okay. I saved these guys. That will be in today's video. I'm gonna go release them. See you in the next video. Goodbye.